Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something truly exceptional for all our lab enthusiasts out there.
Say hello to the 22 pieces stainless steel lab spatula micro scoop set. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you why this set stands out as the best lab spatula stainless steel available in the market today.
First off, versatility. This set isn't just your ordinary spatula collection. With 22 pieces featuring various sizes and shapes, it's like having a Swiss Army knife for your lab. Need to transfer materials? Check.
Mixing ingredients?
Double check. This set has got you covered for all your lab experiments and beyond. Now, let's talk about design.
Each spatula in this set comes with a double-sided feature. Whether you're dealing with powders, gels, or even filling gel caps, these spatulas are engineered to handle it all.
Plus, with their long handles, you can easily reach into deep bottles and cans without any hassle.
And the quality?
Top-notch.
Crafted from durable stainless steel, these spatulas are built to last. Say goodbye to corrosion or flimsy utensils.
With this set, you're investing in reliability and longevity.
Oh, and did I mention they're a breeze to clean?
Simply rinse them off after use, and they're good as new. No need for special care or maintenance.
Whether you're a seasoned lab professional or a hobbyist, this set is an absolute game changer.
It's not just about convenience, it's about elevating your lab experience to a whole new level.
So, if you're ready to take your lab game up a notch, look no further than the 22 pieces stainless steel lab spatula micro scoop set.
Trust me, you won't be disappointed.
That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques.
Until next time, happy experimenting!